And I really like this because it's just you helping you. It's all natural.
When 50-year-old Nancy Keller decided it was time for a more youthful appearance, she wanted to visit a doctor who practices safe and ethical aesthetic medicine. She decided to visit Crutchfield Dermatology for a Selphyl treatment.
Selphyl is a really interesting treatment, and that's where we take a small aliquot of your own blood and we can spin it down, and there's a special little band when you spin it down and concentrate it that's real rich in growth factors and cytokines and platelets. You can extract that out and inject it into the skin and cause rebuilding and rejuvenation of the skin.
Each Selphyl treatment only takes a half an hour, and although it can take 1 to 2 months to see full results, the treatment will last up to 2 years or possibly longer.
And that's it. Hemostasis, please, on the left and the right.
Another breakthrough treatment offered at Crutchfield Dermatology is simply amazing.
The first thing I'm going to do is start by putting a gel pad on your abdomen in the area that we discussed that you wanted to treat.
It's called Coolsculpting.
It's a procedure where you cool the skin down to just a degree or two above freezing, and it causes the fat cells to actually break open and dissolve away. And so it's a really quick, relatively painless treatment to get rid of unwanted fat.
Coolsculpting takes about 1 hour per treatment and typically only requires 1 to 2 treatments for desired results.
You can keep track of the time as well. It's just going to keep on ticking down right there so you'll know exactly where you are in the treatment.
Once the hour has passed, the Coolsculpting machine is removed to reveal the frozen fat left behind.
So your treatment's ended. Now if you take a look at it, you'll see that's exactly kind of the response that we're looking for. Is that frozen kind of stick of butter right there.
What makes this treatment most effective is a 2-minute aggressive massage of the treated area.
And I'm going to get right in there. And this is what breaks up all of those frozen fat cells and makes it really effective.
Results can be seen as early as 2 weeks after the initial treatment, though most people see results in 4 to 6 weeks. And now it was my turn for some pampering.
We're just going to start out with a basic cleanse, working on removing your makeup and kind of creating more of a blank palette so we can do a proper microexfoliation.
The microexfoliation treatment I got to try is called hydrofacial.
It's a type of microdermabrasion, but they also use water for exfoliation as exposed to rust, rocks, and pumice stone, and sands and salts. And then it has a special hydrating gel to use afterwards to make the skin hydrated and also a lot plumper and smoother. It fills in superficial lines and wrinkles, so it works great.
The hydrofacial is a relaxing facial that kind of feels like a mini vacuum is sucking your face, leaving behind soft, smooth, radiant skin. After the exfoliation comes the hydro. A serum is applied to the skin. This creates moisture that lasts for several days, making this the perfect facial for an upcoming special event.
Most of the patients that have tried it, they always sign up for another several in a series, so it feels good.
I already can't wait for my next appointment.